He's beauty and she's grace. That's a perfect sandwich. Another sandwich show? I'm Harrison Porter, chef owner of BearLeek, and I'm going to show you how I make a cannibal sandwich. Yeah, for a raw beef sandwich. So a cannibal sandwich is a favorite of the Midwest. You're real hungry. All you've got is some toast, onions, and some raw beef. You throw it all together, you're good to go. We obviously wanted to zhuzh it up a little bit, make it a little fancier. So that's what we did. First off, we took some of our house-made milk toast, toasted it off real nice. And then we make a mayonnaise flavored with anchovies, capers, mustard, a little paprika, and lemon juice. And then we take our Wagyu filet, chop that up by hand. Then we mix it all together. Finally, we garnish with a little pickled shallots, cured egg yolk, and some popped capers.
Everybody wanna get a bit of me lately. Take aim, lace it to the sky. Roll right past and you can't deny. Get your little lifted, I never would have figured it feels so right.
It's got everything you need in there. It's rich, salty, a little acidic from the onions, nice and briny. That's a perfect sandwich. So a traditional cannibal sandwich is literally like just a piece of probably Wonder Bread. And you're like diced up ground beef and raw onions. That's it. Maybe probably some mustard. And that's it. I'm not sure exactly the history of the cannibal sandwich. I know it's from the Midwest. And I've had one like in Wisconsin. And it's weird, but it is pretty good in the end. So at the very least, it inspired me. Any parting thoughts? Eat more raw beef on toast. Why not? Just that's it. That's the title. Another sandwich show. Yeah. It's another sandwich show. It's a show about sandwiches, but we're doing it again, right? Another sandwich show? It's a show about sandwiches? All right.